Can you solve this question? James can walk to school in 30 minutes. His sister, his sister bikes there in 10 minutes. How long would it take them to travel together at their own pace? Now, this question is a trap because many people immediately thinks, oh, one takes 30 minutes, one takes 30 minutes, the other takes 10 minutes. So together, the other takes 10 minutes. So together, it will take like say 30 plus 10 over 2. That will give 20 minutes. But this is wrong because if his sister buys there in 10 minutes and you now say when they go together, when they travel together, they will take 20 minutes. That means it will take the sister longer time to get there, which is not right at all. So if they go together, that means it's supposed to take them a lesser time. But at the same time, this question is not the same thing as the other questions. Some people might say, oh, let's use the formula and let's say 1 over 30 plus 1 over 10. You remember that formula? But that formula is used for problems where two people are working on the same task together, like painting a wall or filling a tank. But this question is completely different. Why do you think this question is different? Do you want to read it again? Now let's read it again. The question says, let's read the last statement. It says, how long would it take them to travel together at their own speed? At their own speed. Now they are not working together. The James is walking while his sister is biking. So they are not using the same means. It's not like they are working together or they are filling a tank together or they are painting together. James is walking, his sister is biking. So they do not have the same speed. They cannot, someone biking cannot have the same speed as someone walking. So we are not going to combine their speed. We cannot combine their speed. And the question says, how long will it take them to travel together at their own speed? So that at their own speed means that nobody slows down or speeds up for the other person. James is walking at his own pace. His sister is biking at her own pace. So now what happens? The sister will still arrive. The sister, okay, let's start with James. James will still arrive. James will still arrive at James will still arrive in 30 minutes, while his sister will arrive, his sister will still arrive in 10 minutes. So the correct answer is that the sister will arrive in 10 minutes while James reaches school in 30 minutes. So we cannot combine them because they are not using the same speed. And it says, how long will it take them to travel together at their own speed? So James is maintaining his speed and is arriving at 30 minutes. His sister is maintaining her speed and she's arriving at 10 minutes. So the assuming the question says how long until they both arrive. Now, if the question says how long until they both arrive, then that will be 30 minutes because when the sister arrives at 10 minutes, it will still take James 20 more minutes before he arrives. So they both will arrive at 30 minutes. But it is not saying how long until they both arrive. Instead, it is saying how long will it take them to travel together at their own speed. They can live together, but they will still get there at different time because a bicycle and a walking person do not combine into a super speed traveler. So whenever you see questions like this, make sure you patiently read till the end and figure it out because this is a trap. Let me know what you think in the comments, or do you have any other do you have a different idea? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.